Ndikwamkele kwimbathi igama lami ndinguzweli Nokhatya. Ukanti ke mhlawumbi ulapha eKapa eNtshona Koloni u-021 inumber oyaziyo kodwa u-021 nightlife andiqondi uba uqinisekile uba kwenzeka ntoni na apho. Ndinenzwane ezilapha ecaleni kwam uchuma bazawuske basichazele ke into yoba 021 nightlife lo ungantoni. Bahlekazi mandinamkele kwimbathi.
Olo mhlekazi nami ndizibulisela igama lami ndinguchuma Xhotyeni from 021 nightlife.
All right, mhlekazi wam mandikwamkele nawe.
Ndiyabulela igama nguSanele uDlokolo 021 nightlife.
All right. Bahlekazi bam, u-021 lo ndiyamazi. U-nightlife lo andimazi bungena ndawoni. Yintoni u-021 nightlife?
Thina siye sabona i-need ne-demand yabantu abakwi-age group yethu abaphuma ebusuku bahambe but abanayo i-platform yokonwaba, abanayo i-pattern yokonwaba. Then sabacreatele uba bethunani nangona uphumele ebusuku masiyeni ukuthi siyaphuma nje. It's 021 ewe but let's have a nightlife, a sign and a tagline. Apho uzozenza uzifilishe ucomfortable because now we are more sheriffs. Siyabamonitarisha ba i-nightlife yakho look good, feel good. Ibanala attitude ba I don't do things irresponsible because I might be caught up sheriffs ka 021 nightlife.
Oh, himake. As 021 nightlife nizi paparazzi nina?
Yeah, sort of, we can say, because in the senzayo we go out to a hotspots eKhayelitsha. We capture dance floor moments, abantu bejiva, and it's an online album, photo album actually, where you just go onto the site, you save your picture for free. Just to elaborate on what Kuma has said, we're also trying to upgrade nightlife by abantu ukuthi bazinakekele xa bephuma ngoku babukeke kahle, knowing that they're going to bump into us, you know. The other thing is we're changing stereotypes, you know. Abantu bahlala kwi-urban areas, kwezinye indawo like Parklands and whatnot, they always have the perception wrong about iKhayelitsha. So we're trying to serve also as iLokunja, as a medium, 021 nightlife, to say, look, we are beautiful, we know how to dance like you guys dance, and dress also and feel good at the same time. So yeah, it serves low purpose also, 021 nightlife.
All right. Zesbi hotspots apha eKasi.
At the moment, ngokuba sihlala within the boundaries of Khayelitsha, sizama ubeka iKhayelitsha on the map. With imvume kaMr Soli no But Ace, they've gave us a few security ba xa sifike kwindawo zabo abantu abangaphakathi bayababrief about us 021 nightlife and basivumele sithathe pictures and kukuwe ipicture yakho ufuna be online okanye ufuna okanye siyithathe okanye ufuna asiye siyibe ipicture yakho ungafuni and then we give you the card as part of ba ube sure ba isite ithini na. So our hotspot at the moment it's uSoli no Ace.
All right, epakini. All right. Umyalezo wakho kubantu abangekhoyo apha okanye abantu abakanti abakawuqondi kahle nightlife walapha eCulture bahamba kanjani?
Okay, basically what we can say is keep looking good. We're out here. This is your site actually, Khayelitsha. Our main focus has been Khayelitsha for now, but we're going to spread out to the whole of Western Cape. Just keep looking good. Let's change those mindsets as one of the negative side of the townships. How do we do it? We do it with mediums as in 021 nightlife. Own it, it's yours. And do feel good. Ubu Pizolo is our tagline. And thanks for your support. We've reached 14,000 hits within a week, you know.
In a week.
Wow, what?
And
It's amazing.
And to add on that, within a week, like 5 days, we're the second biggest website in the world. AON is dominating. Like Michael Jackson, we have reached 7,000. Google has given us that honor of saying big. We've got 3,000 viewers outside South Africa, Europe, Germany.
Wow. Guys, this is big. All right, 021 nightlife, here I come.
And don't forget to visit the site, www.021nightlife, galerisite.co.za. At any time, leave your testimonials. If ever got a hotspot, don't forget to align us, and then we'll be more than honored to be part of your place.
Ubu Pizol.
Ubu Pizol. And one more thing, also we have a t-shirt range. Apron the way 021 nightlife, it's on demand. I mean, people are loving the designs. It wasn't our main objective actually to sell the t-shirts, but due to it demand, you know. Also big up to our teammates, Ubuzwe, Uwo, Umava, Umali, the website developer. You know, it's been awesome working with the guys. And yeah, thank you for Iqashali and Unani Nispelwan.
All right, bahlekazi, nindivale umlomo. Ndizawuthula ngoba uphiya ndithethe ngoku. Inkosi kakhulu yanga ningabheka phambili ngo-021 nightlife. Ndiza ninikeza ndithengisele enye inumber u-361. ningamthathi ngowami ndizanithengisela.
Sabulele dad.
All right, okay, good. All right, bulele ke wahlekazi kambe ke uyeva ke into yoba izinto ezinhle ziyenzeka. It just takes i-idea. You just think of something, you become innovative. Ucinge ngento engazange yacingwa. Bani wayesazi ba u-021 angakusebenzela kanjalo. 021 nightlife, here I come.
This is Ted.